Hey, yeah, I think that, yeah.
Fourth time's the charm, right?
Well, it took me and Patrick 8
Hey,
times.
so if the funnel's going to be anywhere, see where that rapid rising motion is? It's going to be tucked behind that. Because you have your RFD clear slot.
Yeah. Is this like 2 separate mesos?
No, it's just we can't see that little edge.
There's RFD going around that big circulation.
We have a little bit of a hook.
That's where the tornadoes get to form, in my opinion.
Back there?
Yeah. That's the one that's rotating the most.
Right there.
See the RFD though?
John, look at the right edge. Right there.
Yeah. Oh wait, there's a funnel, a little weak one. It's on the inside of that
Oh, see, I told you behind them.
scud, yeah.
You know, having the bed of a truck is really nice. I can stand.
Oh yeah.
Because I'm small enough to get up here, I think.
I can see those rotating rain curtains though around that
Using
RFD.
a beamer.
That's gangsta.
That's bold.
It's trying so hard.
This thing wants to boost.
Oh, that is fully on the ground.
Oh yeah.
Siren's going off.
Hey, it's just right behind that tree line, by the way.
Man, we were right through there.
It's going north of us.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah, we're fine where we are. Hey, this is near Pole, right?
Yeah.
East of it?
Is there a handoff going on?
Potentially, I just made a bad tweet. Fuck.
Looks like we got 2 other funnels right now. This one's roping out.
No, it's not. It's just going behind. It's on the ground.
Are you sure? Because it looks like it's about to do a handoff. Oh. Yeah, it's very skinny.
Oh my gosh, yeah, I did.
Oh, look at that.
It's roping out. Oh yeah, it's fine.
Oh no, it's dropping again.
I think it's roping out.
Oh no, look at it's condensing to the ground.
It's still on the ground, but that doesn't mean it's not roping out.
Yeah.
Watch for it to occlude right there to its immediate left.
Look at that freaking wall cloud.
What's your position on the road?
Yeah, you are.
Oh, it's re-going. It's going. Get going.
Right there.
Do we need to do search and rescue?
I got it. If there's already EMS heading there, it doesn't look strong, so I think we're fine.
It looks like it's going again.
Oh my god.
Oh, this might be a big tornado developing.
No, that's just remember how.
Are you sure?
Yeah, remember how wall clouds work.
Look at it re-going.
Oh my
now.
gosh, it's going.
Oh,
Wow.
are you sure? Because that looks like it's about to drop.
100%. I promise you, that's not it. It's that right there. That's a normal function of a supercell. It seems like it's
Dying out.
It's still there. Oh no, it's about to. It might be about to wedge.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, dude.
No, not that. To its right. To its right.